This just talks about all the products. Let's see. The first thing in the box is what I didn't want.
What is that, a brush?
Oh, it is kind of little and cute though. No, this is the straightener.
Oh.
I did not want the straightener though. I wanted the eyeshadow palette. The one that you're getting in your box. That one has such nice colors.
Oh, it's like I'm gonna do some curls.
I had a mini one and my daughter lost it, so maybe when I'm traveling. What else?
What is that?
Oh, this is, I already have one that's not open from an old Fad Fit Fun box. But this smells awesome and it lasts, like I've never had this scent. This lasts like forever.
What is this?
You put it on, it's
Oh,
kind of
it's
one of those.
sponge.
Yeah, and it's kind of one of those cellulite things too, you know? This lasts a really long time.
Okay.
So I do like this. Let's see what else. Oh my god, I'm excited about this bag. Oh, my daughter's gonna count this.
No, I'm excited for this Luxy brushes.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have
What
to
is that?
take pictures of all of this later and post them. Glam AF. You know what AF is, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let's open it up. Okay, a portable charger. Crimes of Beauty. And that's the cord.
Oh, okay.
This is cute. This I like. Boxycharm. I'm like, please don't send me the variation with the please. Wondrous Dust to Dawn.
Highlighter. Highlighter brush.
I got tons of this, but
That's
they had a nice powder that I wanted. I wanted that one.
Come on, Leticia, open it
I know,
up,
right?
Please.
Is this it? Yeah. Okay, this is what Joanna's been waiting for.
Oh, yeah. But I missed it, but... Oh.
Am I missing a brush in there? Or?
Those are... What is this?
It's an attachment, right?
Oh, yeah. I thought it was.
Oh, come on.
And then you have
Okay, I'm not gonna risk a nail. I'm trying to open this.
No, you already know what's in it, right?
Yeah. This is a mascara. Is this the one I wanted? I don't know if it's what I wanted.
Mascara, is it? Ariana
Yeah,
Grande
I just don't want to
line.
open it. Tarte. What is this? Please don't be I keep complaining to them because they keep sending me like purples.
Yep.
That's pretty. Nice and shimmer.
And then that's the...
So I got my last choice of the variation. Oh well, I can't complain. How much was this? $50.
Yeah.
I can't complain.
And then this box is worth how much? So you get you pay the monthly.
It doesn't give me the total value. We'd have to add it up. So $65 for this. The glitter, the Tarte. This is $20. This palette that I did want either is
Maybe 20.
$25. The Violet Voss is $45.
45.
Yeah. This thing here.
Maybe 20.
What is this? Spongel. Where's Spongel? What am I reading this? 20. Jeez. Mascara. Okay, Dust to Dawn palette is $26, which is this. Holy crap! This was $26. This was $25.
20.
This Glam bag.
That's a charger, right?
Yeah, it was $22. And the straightener was $75. Yeah,
Total. And that's it.